What's up guys, my name is Acid and welcome to my first Cisco video. Today we are on cisco.com. As you can see here, the reason because we are here is because I made a bot for you that automatically bets for you. And you can stay AFK all night and all day AFK and you increase your coin level pretty much. You make many coins because the bot bets for you all the time. Every minute he bets for you, or every 45 seconds. I think there are 45 seconds. And yeah, 45 seconds. So to activate this bot, you need to copy the link that I put you in the description. And when you go to the link, you end up with this. So yeah, it's a very long code that you actually need to copy. And to copy this, you press Control A and then Control C. So you copied it. Then you can close this. To create or activate this code on the side, you press right click and then go to the last button. In German it's like this, but in English it's like it's inspect, I think, inspect. So to make it easier, you can also press F12, then you end up with this, and yeah, when it go to this, you need to go and tap console. You pretty much have to paste this code just inside this console to activate it. So you end up with this. It's a very long code, as you can see. Yeah, you press enter, you can close this. Then, as you can see, he created an interface like this. And yeah, this is actually the bot, the interface of the bot. So this is the base value. This is the value that the bots put on the color that you choose. As you can see, here are red, black, rainbow, and random. Random is random. Rainbow is like this here, black, red, black, red. Also here, red, black, and red is red and black. So when you choose red and 10, and when you choose martingale, what the bot does is he puts 10 coins on red, and many of you don't know what martingale is, maybe. So martingale will mean, when you choose martingale, that when you go in with 10 and you lose, this bot double the amount to 20 and goes in. When you lose again, he just double the amount that you bet. When you lose again, 40, and when you lose again, 80, and so on, and so on. Yes, Great Martingale is mostly the same like Martingale. It does double it, it triple it. So when you lose, when you put 10 on red, and you lose, you make 30 of it. Yes, you know. So yeah, as I already said, you can choose red or black. Yeah, so as you can see, I have zero balance because I already withdrawn me a skin that I made with this bot. As I already said, you can make very much coins. As my own broadcast crashed. Where do I went left? I think I'm done. I think I'm done. I hope you understood this tactic, this video almost. And if you did, please leave a like and share it with your friends. I hope I see you in my next video.